Have you ever wondered how your purring companion came to share your couch? It all began in the Fertile Crescent over 9,000 years ago. Wild cats were attracted to human settlements where rodents were abundant. Over time, these feline interlopers grew accustomed to humans, and we grew quite fond of them too. This mutual relationship evolved into the domestication of cats as we know them today. Unlike dogs, who were actively tamed by humans, cats essentially domesticated themselves. They chose to live alongside us, and in return, we offered them shelter and food. It's a fascinating tale of coexistence, isn't it? If you're intrigued and want to learn more delightful stories, do subscribe to our channel. Give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to share the love with your fellow cat enthusiasts. Remember, every day holds a new discovery, so stay curious.